Regarding your annotated bibliography, I need you to know about the format as well as the information that's in there. So, first of all, let me talk to you about the two components within an annotated bibliography. First of all, you have the citation. And I'm going to do it like this with hanging indented, okay? So it is going to look exactly like it should look on your works cited page. So I want you to work at getting a good citation. If you have gone into the ECSU database, it provides that citation for you. You've already copied and pasted it onto a Word document, so you should have that in place. Just make sure that it's MLA, okay, because that's what I'm going to be looking for. That will be single-spaced. Okay, then you're going to double space between the citation and what's called the annotation. And these lines are going to be what represent the annotation. Okay, that is your paragraph summary that you're going to do for this annotated bibliography. This will be single spaced. Then you will double space before you go on to the next annotation. Okay, so it goes like this. Citation single-spaced, then you double-space. Annotation single-spaced, then you double-space, then you're back to the citation again. The good news is I have a sample annotated bibliography on our Blackboard class site. Go in there, take a look at it, make sure yours is formatted the same way. I want you to notice that the only thing that goes over to the left-hand margin is this first line. The rest is indented that ½ inch, okay? So the rest of the citation and the annotation are indented ½ inch. You're going to lose points on that. I'm going to take off a point if it's not indented, not indented. That's how I'm grading this paper. I take off a point for everything that is wrong or missing. I get lots of 100s on this. Those of you who are not doing well, aim for 100 on this. There's no reason why you can't get 100 on this annotated bibliography. It's really easy if you just do what I ask. Okay? So, what does an annotate mean? By the way, good quiz question, and we'll end up on your final exam. To annotate means to take notes. That's what that word means. To annotate means to take notes. So, what kind of notes are you going to be taking within this assignment? I have put up on the Blackboard site what needs to go in here, okay? Not only have I given you a sample, but I've also given you what needs to go in here. But let me just tell you real quickly what the order is, so you've got it in your notes as well as you having it on the class site. That first sentence is going to be the purpose. Okay, what was the purpose of the article? Then your second sentence is going to summarize, just one sentence summary of what this article is about. Your third sentence is going to be who is the author. Don't do it in bullet form, put it in sentence form. It needs to read like a paragraph. Who is the audience, not the author. Who is the audience? Sorry about that. Who is the audience? Who was it designed for? Who was it written to? Okay?
This is based off the whole paper?
Yeah, whole article. So we're talking 28 pages, yeah. Okay? The next one will be the relevance to you. How are you going to use it? I will use this in my introduction. This will support this part of my argument. This will be my counter-argument side. That you decide, how are you going to use this? Where is it going to be used? And then your last sentence is either the strengths or weaknesses within it. You might say the strength, Danielle could say the strength is the chart on page 62. Or you might say weaknesses, it is biased. It is definitely just one side. I don't get both sides of the story. Figure out the strengths and weaknesses. You include those 5 things in each of your paragraphs, you are good to go. So make sure that you follow that and follow what I put on the Blackboard site. Okay?